Sa puntong ito ay binibigyan ko kayo ng tig 20 segundo para umapela sa taong bayan na iligtas kayo sa paparating na eviction. Magsisimula tayo sa inyo, Ralph and Michael.
Mga kapuso, mga kapamilya at sa mga housemates ko dito, maraming salamat sa pagmamahalin nyo sa pagpasok pa lang namin dito at sa pagsisimula. Kami ni Ralph, we're just willing to give it our best and show what we're worth. And we make mistakes, but we learn from them and we will grow.
Patuloy-tuloy po kami magiging mabuting housemate and syempre magiging mabuting kasama dito sa bahay and hindi namin pipigilan ng aming mga efforts and papakita talaga namin ang kaya namin at mga personality namin bilang housemate.
Thank you, Michael and Ralph. AC and Ashley.
Kami po ni Ate Ash, we've gone through things as a duo and we're choosing to take in whatever was said to learn and grow and improve. Yun naman po talaga yung point namin. Kaya we will keep fighting, we will keep pushing.
Mga kapuso, kapamilya, and housemates, thank you. Salamat sa experience na to. It's actually an unforgettable experience in my life. I guess there's always room for improvements and we're here to prove ourselves competitively and we're here to also improve our behavior, my behavior. Yes. So, we'll continue to fight.
Will and River.
Alam naman po namin na hantong kami sa ganitong posisyon and hindi naman po dahil kami nominado para ngayong linggo, titigil na kami sa pag-abot ng kung ano yung mga gusto namin maabot sa buhay. Gagamitin namin ito bilang lesson para matuto at mag-grow dito sa loob ng bahay.
Yes, we make mistakes. Yes, we disappoint people. Yes, we let people down, but then we learn from these mistakes. We always get back up. And from this, we promise to be better people after this. Kaya maraming salamat po and